Once a disciple asked his master, "Sir, what is this world in your eyes?" To answer this, the master narrated a story. Once in a city, there was a glass palace. In that palace, there were hundreds of mirrors fixed on every wall. One day, an angry dog entered that palace. There he saw his own reflection in each and every mirror. Seeing his own reflections, he started barking at them. Due to the mirrors, he saw 100 dogs barking back at him. He ran away from there, in fear. After going some distance, he thought to himself that there could be no worse place than that palace. He vowed to never ever return to that palace again. A few days later, another dog entered the same palace. He was cheerful and lively. As soon as he entered the palace, he saw hundreds of happy dogs looking at him. Seeing this, the dog's confidence increased, and he wagged his tail. To his surprise, all the dogs in the mirrors did the same. There was no limit to his happiness. When he came out of the palace, he thought it was the best place in the world, and he had the most wonderful experience of his life. He promised to himself that he will surely return to the palace very soon. After finishing the story, the master said to his disciple, "The world is also like the palace with mirrors. Here each and every person gets a response, according to his own thoughts and deeds." The first dog barked in anger, so he got anger and hatred in return. Whereas, the second dog showed a positive and kind behavior, so he received kindness and love. The disciple thanked his master for imparting such a valuable life lesson. People who consider the world as a place of happiness, leave from here with experiences of happiness, joy, and a sense of positivity. People who consider this world a place of sorrow and misery, are left with nothing but sadness and bitterness. So, the choice is entirely yours.